Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Debian 12 latest version on your VirtualBox. Now I am open my VirtualBox from Windows 10 and Dev 20 Linux. Select this installation location. This is VirtualBox Dev 12. Next, select RAM. Set up 2.5 GB RAM and disk space. Use 20 GB. Click create and then click settings. Going to storage and controller ID is select empty, and now choose this ISO from choose a disk file from ISO folder. Debian 12.1.0 open and going to network using bridge adapter, using your Realtek bridge adapter. Then click save and then hit enter. Start your virtual machine. Now start your virtual machine and click graphic install. Select language English. Okay, fine. Select your location. My location is other Asia, Bangladesh. Configure combination language United States English, American English keyboard. Load installer components from installation media. Loading additional components. Configure the network. Host name is Debian. Okay. Domain name NOLOGYRSS.local. Click continue. Configure the root password. Set up user and password. Create a new user. Take and type password. Press enter. Partition disk. Click enter. All partition recommended. Yes. Finish partition. Write to disk. Select yes. Press enter. Configure the package manager. Select extra installation media. Okay, no. Current package manager. Enter information manually. Even archive country. Select and install software. Select desktop environment, SSH server, and click continue. Install grapefruit bootloader, yes, select. Select this disk and click continue. Yes, finished installation complete. Now remove this. Yes, already removed. And now finish installation. Running cleanup. Rebooting your system. Yes, successfully installation done. Debian 12 version latest. With loading Linux kernel 6.1.0.11. Now successfully installation done Debian 12. Wait for next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.